Now, if you want to change the buy it now text on your button here on Shopify, well, there is an easy way for you to do this. Now, first things first, just to give you some idea, this is what my product page look like. It has the buy it now wording on it. So as you can see, if I reload my page, stays pretty much the same thing here. Now, there are actually two ways for you to edit this. So the first method is you may want to check the language on your team. Now, depending on what team you're using, you may have this option. So you want to go to online store, go to teams, click on the three dotted option here on your current team, and you want to go and just choose the edit default team content. Now, in here, you want to go and just go to products, or you can go and just click on the search here and just type in buy uh, or the buy text here. Now you want to look for something buy it or buy button text here or something like that, and you should be able to change the text for it. But then again, this is not available for all teams, so only certain teams has this available. But if you don't have that available, well, there is still a way for you to edit this specific buy it now text. Now, instead of going to the edit default team content, you want to go and choose edit code. Now, don't worry, this is going to be really easy. It's pretty short, honestly. But yeah, what you need to do is you want to go and look for the CSS file. Now, depending on your team, it may be base.css or team.css. So if you don't see it immediately here, so it's going to be under assets. You want to go and click on the search here. Just type in either base or team.css and go and open it up. Now, in the text file here, you want to go to the very bottom of your file here. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And you want to go and just copy the following. Now, this one is really important, so you need to copy this exactly as it is. And also, you need to make sure that the important sections are added, and also the position, visibility, top, left, bottom, font size, and display are also included. Now, these are really crucial because if you don't include this, they will basically be invisible in your text. But once you have everything copied here, you can go and just basically paste it into your file. And make sure to click on save here. And once you have that saved, you want to go and just visit or reload your product page. Now it's going to be updated. Now the thing with this one is you want to make sure that the content here, so this one, the content property, is actually states what text you want to basically want to include. So I added buy here. So in this case, it's now going to say buy or something something that you want to display. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.